What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Beautiful Hustler, and I am back with another slay for today. This will be a tutorial on a glueless install of this beautiful ash blonde hair, which I colored myself, which I will leave the link to that video down below. Say how much I love you guys, because I don't know if you can tell, but I am really sick in this video, and I also have the pink eye, but I still managed to give you guys a new tutorial. Now, first off, I just went ahead and got a nude cap, and I'm going to apply my foundation on my cap. And right here I'm just showing you how the wig is glueless. I actually have a video on how I made this wig, which I will also release later on today. But I did glue my wig, and I just sewed the closure part down, and I also attached elastic band on the inside, as you can see. Now, usually when I apply my own lace closures, wigs, or whatever, I like to use adhesive, but I did not feel like doing that this time around, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna make a glueless wig and show you guys how I install it as well. So pretty much I'm just going to take my foundation and apply it also on the inside of that lace closure, so it blends perfectly with my skin tone. And once I cut away that lace, you guys will see, oh my god, it blends so perfectly. It's just like scalp at this point. Now I can also wear this wig apart down the middle as well. That was the look I was going for at first, but then once I kind of like played with it, I said, you know what, I'm kind of feeling this side part, so I'm just going to style it as a side part for this video. To blend this closure with my skin tone, I did use the True Match foundation in the color C78, which is nut brown. I also wanted to mention that you want to make sure you cut off the pieces on the side of that lace closure for a more of a, you know, natural blended type of look like you see here. I did cut that lace in a zigzag motion. You always want to cut that in a zigzag motion. And here I'm just going to apply some Alpha G mousse. This is a alcohol-free mousse, so if I were to glue this down, it would not lift my lace because it's alcohol-free. And for this look, I'm just going to create like 2 or 3 baby hairs, nothing major, because like I said, once again guys, this is glueless, and I'm going to take this wig right off before I actually go to sleep tonight. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick little video on how you can install your wig gluelessly, especially if you have the elastic band. It should be even easier because it should give you a tight grip alone on its own. So using that mousse, I'm going to go ahead and create my baby hairs. And once I'm done creating my baby hairs, I'm going to tie that down, let that dry for a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back, have it removed, and you guys just basically see the finishing look. Like the original video to install this wig was like 12 minutes, so it's really quick when you do it gluelessly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this simple quick tutorial, and thank you for tuning in to IAmBeautifulHustler channel. And make sure you guys go check out that how to color your hair ash blonde video. Thank you guys, and until next time.